Good morning. Well, you may be watching this video at some time other than morning, but it is a good morning to me. I am on my way to teach class, and I just had a thought about manifestation, which so many people ask me about and want to know about continually. And there's a new moon coming up in the sign of Virgo, and I thought this would be a good time to talk about manifestation real quick because of the energy associated with the sign of Virgo. Virgo is known to be, first of all, Virgo is, if you are a Virgo, it's late August to late September. And it's an earth sign, meaning it's very practical. People with that energy are very practical, analytical, organized, list makers, oftentimes clean, very obsessively organizing things. And they can be very critical also in their attempt to put things in order. And so what you can do in terms of manifesting yourself, how you can use this Virgo energy in your manifestation, is to take some time. The new moon begins September 9th and it goes through October 8th. And what you could do to use this energy is to make lists, to declutter your thoughts. Yes, there is a person walking down the street for some reason, like they don't see the sidewalk. Anyway, it's a campus. But yes, use this energy, which is supported, by the universe at this particular time, this new moon, for organizing, decluttering your mind, decluttering your space, thinking clearly about what you want to manifest. Because as I always teach, manifestation, the power in it is about our intention. It comes from our intention. Whatever you do, your magic, whatever it is, you've got to state your intention clearly. And so Virgo is helpful for that because it asks us to be clear and to declutter and to analyze and think clearly about what we want and get rid of what we don't. So use that energy to manifest what you'd like to see happen in your life. And yeah, you'll do well. Use Virgo well. The new moon is about new enterprises, so you can use that. Other thing I wanted to say real quick before I go into this garage and lose you, I want to start putting some videos on Patreon so that I can do some more extensive work here for you. And some of the things that are kind of a little bit off the topic for Dr. Darnise's House of Religion, Magic, and Conjure. So some things that are a little bit more like this. And so this is a little sneak peek of what it'll be on Patreon. So I hope you will join me on Patreon. I'll send another message about, how to do that. All right. Have a great day and get to those manifestations. Bye for now.